Whenever you try to download an app, your iPhone asks for the password to an old Apple account or shows a verification required or unable to install error after latest iOS 27. Don't panic here, just let's go through a quick fixes that should solve the problem. So first, if you're trying to install the app from your home screen, you just have to press and hold the app icon, then tap remove app and delete the app completely from here. Don't panic here, just open up your app store again and search for the app again here and tap the download button to install it. In many cases, installing the app directly from the app store fixes the problem. So if you ever run into this issue again, avoid reinstalling the app from the home screen. And if you're still seeing the verification required from here, open the App Store again, then tap your profile picture, then go to Apps and Purchase History option. So here you just have to check if there are any pending purchases or subscription related issues that need your attention. And then you just have to go to your settings and tap your Apple account, then payment and shipping. Make sure your payment method is up to date, and if your payment method has expired or there's a billing issue, updating it can often fix the verification required issue. So if the problem still isn't fixed in your case, tap your Apple account, scroll down and tap sign out. So then you just have to sign back in your Apple account. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixers Night till the end.